Being alone isn't just a lack of company, it's a sacred space for your soul to converse with the divine and to shape your life choices. Though others may question your solitude, it's in these moments you truly discover yourself. You're not escaping the world, you're exploring your own inner depths. Deep reflection sparks transformation, and you emerge with enhanced wisdom, ready to enlighten others. If you're isolated on your spiritual journey, see it not as a flaw, but as a vital part of encountering your core essence. Your deepest desires echo in this solitude, bringing forth hidden dreams and aspirations. Solitude propels you inward, crucial for understanding your internal world. Alone, you resolve your problems independently, enhancing your spiritual resilience. Navigating pain and past traumas is challenging but necessary for your spiritual growth and awakening. The universe recognizes your yearning for a better and more fulfilling future, leading you to this solitude to delve deeper into yourself. This process shapes you into the person you aim to be. A transformative journey demands new surroundings, a fresh mindset, revised beliefs, and a different life perspective. While the changes may feel unsettling, know that they align with your true desires. In this spiritual evolution, old or negative beliefs take the center of attention. You'll realize some long-held views influenced by society and loved ones don't match your true needs. Solitude offers a chance to reevaluate these influences critically. You're not a follower, you're a leader by nature. This leadership may have been suppressed in your past. Now your spiritual solitude allows you to rediscover and reclaim your true self, shedding external influences to manifest your ideal life. Now solitude becomes your natural state, giving you a priceless chance to reset your mindset. Achieving this profound internal transformation is challenging when you're constantly bombarded with external distractions and noise. In this spiritual retreat, you master the art of self-love, learning that true love starts within and radiates outward. As you nurture your soul, you become a vessel overflowing with love, inspiring and uplifting others. This solitary journey lets you regain your spiritual energy. Often, we unknowingly give away this energy to toxic people who drain us emotionally. Isolation allows you to set healthy boundaries, safeguarding your energy across all relationships, including family members. Many spiritually minded people feel obligated to give away their vital energy in exchange for acceptance, becoming people pleasers or sensitive empaths. But reclaiming your energy empowers you to maintain it, regardless of your surroundings. You maintain your inner equilibrium. In solitude, you become at ease in your own skin. You shed societal masks, embracing your authentic self without the need for external approval. This freedom transforms you into a beacon of light, inspiring others to discover their own uniqueness. Choosing this solitary path isn't accidental. It signifies you're destined for something more. Some never unlock their spiritual potential, but the challenges and healings you undergo serve as stepping stones to greater things. Each trial will eventually prove its worth. Many may never grasp the wisdom you possess or live fully in the present moment, but you have an exceptional ability to manifest your desires. You're on the verge of experiencing profound emotions like unconditional love and liberation from suffering. Seize this unique opportunity for spiritual awakening. Your life is entering an extraordinary phase. You're close to seeing your dreams become reality, supported by the universe and the divine forces at play. While the journey might make you feel isolated and lonely, it's this very solitude that teaches you're never truly alone. Cherish this enlightening period. It's molding you into the extraordinary person you were always meant to be. On this life-changing path, being close to others matters less than growing closer to something greater and your true self, meaning the oneness or the higher power. You'll find a sense of completeness from within, making outside approval less important. No longer seeking love and approval from the outside world, you'll find these sentiments naturally surfacing from within you. It's a testament to your innate essence of love. Your happiness and validation become self-generated, originating from your own inner sanctuary. You'll be amazed at the strength and wisdom you unlock when you're alone. You'll transition from being a mere participant in life to the creator of life, a master of your destiny, and the manifester of your dreams. This newfound wisdom is unearthed in your moments of solitude, even in the challenging phases of life. So as you tread this solitary path, understand it's not a journey into loneliness but a sacred quest for self-discovery and personal evolution. Embrace the power of solitude and cherish the divine insights sprouting from the sanctuary of your soul. It's here that you'll discover your true self, your guiding light, and an endless reservoir of love within you. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of why solitude is so vital during your spiritual awakening. If this message resonated with you, then I invite you to be a part of our community by subscribing and giving the video a like and a comment. Remember, you're never truly alone on this journey. You're forging a profound connection with your higher self and the universe. Until next time, embrace the transformative power of solitude.